Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 122. We just got a call from a person that was a referral from another person that was, I guess, at the Apple store, and he called his buddy telling him what he's doing, and that guy said, hey, don't go there. I know a guy that will do $45 or $50 less, and that was me. So then he called, and I did confirm the price. He was actually $55 less, and so pretty much right now I'm heading over to his place. It's a local call in Las Feliz village. We should be there in maybe 5 minutes, or maybe 6 minutes. So we'll see, and it's gonna be a fun one to fix. It's a 6S white. I'm guessing it's a silver or gold, and the guy was really cool. He said, do you mind if we work outside, because I guess his place is like a mess. I was like, sure. I actually love working outside because the air right now is so beautiful. It's 77, it's awesome, it's amazing. Anyways guys, so that's that. So we're gonna go take care of that. His name is damn, I forgot his name. Jordy. I like Jordan. So we're gonna pick Jordan's phone, so we'll see what happens. And we'll show you how it goes down. So stay put and we'll be right back. Hey guys, we are just arriving. We should make a ride very soon on 3C. We're like in the Las Vegas Hills area, kind of. Not really the hills, but it's kind of like a little sleepy. Coffee. Been a long day. Hey guys, so the house should be right here. So we're gonna park right here and get this thing started. Done. Hey guys, we'll see you inside. Peace. Cut.
Has the black back.
It's an iMac?
Yeah, it's an iMac.
What year? Like 2012, 13?
It's the one that has the black on the back.
Oh, it's the one that is not all titanium, like silver, is black. Okay, okay,
yeah.
Okay, go on.
So,
Hey guys, we just finished that phone. You saw it was iPhone 6s Plus. I believe it was rose gold. Yeah, it was rose gold. So we just finished that and we just got back, and he was happy. He was super happy that we were able to do that at such a late notice, and we saved him $50 or $60 actually almost, because Apple gave him a really high quote. So now we're done, and we are going to edit this video so we can send it out to you guys so you can check it out. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and this is vlog 122 conclusion. Peace. Cut. Thanks for watching. It's a wrap.